Imagine you have a magical assistant that can instantly turn your scattered thoughts into organized tasks, generate captivating content, and even help you brainstorm new ideas. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, that's exactly what ClickUp AI promises to do. ClickUp has been making waves in the project management world for years, offering a robust platform with a plethora of features. But recently, they've taken things to the next level with the introduction of their AI-powered assistant. So, the burning question is ClickUp AI free? Understanding ClickUp AI. Before we dive into the pricing, let's understand what ClickUp AI can actually do. It's essentially a virtual assistant that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline your workflow. From writing emails and generating meeting agendas to creating content calendars and brainstorming ideas, ClickUp AI can handle a wide range of tasks. The free tier. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is there a free version of ClickUp AI? The short answer is yes, but with some limitations. The free tier of ClickUp AI provides access to basic features like text generation. You can use it to create emails, write descriptions, and generate summaries. Task creation. ClickUp AI can help you create new tasks based on your prompts. Idea generation. Need inspiration? ClickUp AI can help you brainstorm new ideas. However, the free tier does have its limitations. For instance, you might encounter restrictions on the number of characters you can generate or the frequency of use. Premium plans and features. If you need more advanced features and want to unlock the full potential of ClickUp AI, you'll need to upgrade to one of their premium plans. These plans offer additional benefits such as priority support, get faster assistance from ClickUp's support team, increased usage limits, enjoy higher character limits and more frequent use, exclusive features, access features that are not available in the free tier, such as advanced text generation capabilities and more in-depth analysis. Is ClickUp AI worth the cost? Whether or not ClickUp AI is worth the cost depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a casual user who only needs occasional assistance, the free tier might be sufficient. However, if you're a power user who relies heavily on AI to streamline your workflow, upgrading to a premium plan might be a worthwhile investment. Factors to consider. When deciding whether to upgrade to a premium plan, consider the following factors. Your workflow. How much does AI fit into your daily tasks? Time savings. How much time can you save by using ClickUp AI? Cost-benefit analysis. Does the cost of a premium plan justify the benefits it offers? So, is ClickUp AI free? Yes, but with limitations. If you need more advanced features and want to unlock the full potential of ClickUp AI, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Ultimately, the decision of whether to pay for ClickUp AI comes down to your individual needs and priorities. If you're interested in learning more about ClickUp AI and exploring the different pricing options, I encourage you to visit their website and sign up for a free trial. You can also check out their blog for helpful tutorials and tips on how to make the most of ClickUp AI. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.